We are going to use a group to practice and drill our chords. And we are going to use this group. A will combine it. A, C, and D. A, C, and D. I mean, it's for the sake of practice, to drill ourselves. So it's not like they have any musical thing. We're still going to combine them separately from music. But for the sake of, movement and getting your hand flexible, we go together. A, C, D, these are considered the easiest. A, C, D. A, C, D. Let's go again. Let's strike it one time, then we'll go 2 times, then 3 times, then 4 times. Then we move to the next key. Okay, we'll start with A. Remember, it's A, C, and D. We'll start with A. We'll strike 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you are striking, you discover that when you finish striking, let's say 1, and you are waiting to strike 2, the noise will continue. There's a system called muting. Now, muting is when it's releasing the hand while the voice is still going on. Listen to this. 1. You see, as I lifted the hand, it stopped. See? It's like a break. So that system of pressing it, of releasing it a bit and pressing it to stop it, is called muting. Okay? Now, we use muting to also practice C. All right, let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now go to 4. 4. Now we'll try D. 1, 2. Actually, 4 is D is very perfect in the muting. 4. All right. So now we are going to combine E and G. E and G. Let's go. It's very difficult to mute E. You know why? Because most of the keys are left free. So that's muting. Instead of coming from here, we are going to use the hand to mute. Once you press, that's the E. So this is also a system of muting. So we have 2 ways you can mute a key. Either by muting it from the string here, or when we have many open keys, we mute it from the strings here. That is muting. Those are the two ways you can mute guitar keys. So let's continue with our E. So we have talked about open keys. Now we have introduced muting. Please take note of these terminologies. They are very, very important. They will be showing, because sometimes you will see a key, they will tell you mute it. So that means when you play the key, you mute it. If you are not able to mute it with your finger, as in from the string here, because most will be open, then you mute it with see that. All right, that is muting. All right, so let's practice our E and G. E, 2, 3. E is one of those you mute with the palm here, from here, because most of them are open. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. With G now, E and G will practice them together. So at this stage, we are only strumming down. We are only strumming down. So that's what we are doing at this stage. So we have spoken about open keys, muting, and strumming. Strumming is the activity that takes place, when you are striking the keys. It's called strumming. All right. So E goes with G for practice, for drilling. E, G, E, G. E, G, E, G, E, G, E, G. All right, the last but not the least, F and B. This F. Is also perfect for muting. You can use the fingers to mute this. And B. You see, there's a reason for combining this F and B, because they are it's easier to progress. B, F, B, F, B. So now we are going to run it across. We'll start with A, C, D, E, G, F, and B. Okay. A, 3, 4. C, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 3, 4. E, 3, 4. G, 3, 4. We're going to use a very popular song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And we're going to play it in the key of C. After playing it in the key of C, we'll play the same song in the key of G, and for your assignment, we expect you to play it in the key of A, D, just continue with the same progression. And the striking formula is going to be simple. We'll strike it this way. The strumming formula is going to be simple. How I wonder how you are above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Little star, how I wonder how you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. Little star, how I wonder how up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. This in the key of C. So let's try it in the key of D. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. Is D. Still play this song in the key of E. E. Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder how you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. So you try it in the key of G, try it in the key of A, and let's see now. You remember G goes with C and D, and then A goes with D and E. So try the song in the key of G, A, and also repeat E. You remember E, and then try F. All right, just a quick recap. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel for more of our exercises. Let's have a quick recap of key C, D, E, F, G, A, and then B. Back to us. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Back to us. Please do subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.